Welcome to Art with Viv. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little puzzle purse just in time for Valentine's Day. And it also, you can put little small gifts in it, write a nice little message to your loved ones or to a girlfriend, a boyfriend, whoever. You'll just need a folder, a pencil, a 21 centimeter square of paper, and also a ruler. Now the first thing you do is fold it in half, corner to corner, diagonally. Then do that with the other two corners, so that you have a triangle, and you unfold it. So now you've got an X, and now you want to measure out 7 centimeters and 14 centimeters because you're gonna fold your paper into thirds both ways, vertically and horizontally. So that's why I'm going around the whole thing and just measuring off, just putting little tick marks for 14 and 7 centimeters. That is going to do thirds, so you'll fold it up to the appropriate marks and fold it. Then you'll turn it over and you will do the same thing, folding the bottom back up to have thirds. Now you've got thirds vertically. Now we're going to make them horizontally. We're doing the same thing. We're folding it up to the appropriate mark that we made, and then we are just folding it. All right, so now you've got 9 squares and a big X in the center. Turn the paper over, and then you're going to take one corner and just fold it to the large corner. You'll see whenever you do yours. If you need to, stop the video, take a screenshot so you can see. You're going to do that to all 4 corners. You are going to fold it up to the edge of that large corner in the center, right there. Now turn it back over, and this is the tricky part. I'm going to try to show you, don't write on yours, but I'm going to show you all of these lines that I'm making. They need to go to the center of the square at the same time. This is the trickiest part, but if you keep finagling with it, you'll get it. You're going to try to fold this into a pinwheel type deal, getting all of those lines that we drew toward the center at one time. There we go, and there you have it. Then you'll want to turn it into a cross where it looks like a cross, your pinwheel. Fold one flap up and then sequentially go around, and on the last flap you'll just tuck it into that little pocket, and there you have it. You have a cute little Victorian puzzle purse where you can write a message on the inside, decorate the outside as you please, or even put a small gift inside. I hope that you enjoy this, and if you did, then consider joining my Patreon where you can get some extra content, some bonus content. Thank y'all for watching, and happy crafting, happy painting, and a big shout out to my patrons. All right, guys, see you next time.